Hello everyone, welcome to Riven Box. Today we are back with a new video. This time we have MacBook Air M4. This was released by Apple in 2025. Now this is 2026. Apple has recently launched M5, but we got our hands on this one. So this one right here is in space black or midnight. It's called midnight. On front, it's just the MacBook itself. MacBook Air badging on this side, MacBook Air on this side, Apple on this side, and Apple on this side. Now see what we have on the back. Right here we have M4 chip, 16 gigs of memory, 256 gigs of storage. Now this goes up to 2 TB of storage. You can modify that in your settings. Now let's unbox this. Apple has always been very minimal with their packaging, and it's always fun to do this. Let's put that side and let's see what we have inside the box. Okay, so thankfully we have matching braided charging cables, and this is some paperwork here. Nothing exciting. There's no sticker. And right here we have the power brick to charge the device. This I suppose comes in 30 watt. You can upgrade it to 35 with the dual USB or 40 or 60, whatever suits you. So let's just put that in the box and let's come to the device. So here it is. It's wrapped beautifully. Let's just unwrap it. The color looks amazing. Now this here is midnight. It comes in 3 other colors. That is silver, midnight, this one, sky blue, and starlight, I believe. Now this is a 13-inch model. It also comes in a 15-inch model, but if you want something handy, I think this would go perfect for you. Apple badging over here, and then 2 charging ports over here. This is USB ports over USB-C ports over here. Actually, this is the MagSafe charging unit, and on the back side we have something to put on the table so that it keeps up with the device. Now let's just open it up and set it up for you guys. Ooh, that sound. The space black color, I would say this color is really amazing. Everything goes dark in here. It gives a blue, kind of low hinge, but most of the part is black. Keyboard is black, and this looks amazing. This right here is a 13-inch screen with minimal bezels, and there, right there, we can see there's a notch. The device is welcoming us in different languages. Let's just go and set it up. So the M5 was launched recently, but if you're getting something that goes into budget, I think this is a great device. This comes in $999, and whereas they have hiked up the price in M5 by $100. Setup is new, continue. By far, it's really amazing. It's going really nice. Let's go and set up the Wi-Fi. It's just to show you how much time the setup takes to turn on the device itself. Apple has been really amazing with this. Set it up later. Okay, so let's just continue with the setup here, and we have reached up to the Siri setup. Siri, how's the weather? Let's try that again. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. It's finally set up.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine.
Later, the speakers on this thing are really nice. Now, firewall keeps your magic going. Data, producing and trustworthy login. If you forget about it, now we'll do it later. So let's see how fast Touch ID on the MacBook. On iPhones, it was really fast, and I believe this is the same Touch ID setup that we used to have on iPhones back then. And yes, it is working really fast. Our Touch ID is finally ready. Let's set it to auto, only download automatically. And I think we're finally done with the setup. Yes, we are. It says welcome. This keyboard right here, I have just tried typing on it, and I must say that this is really comfortable on the hands, on the fingers. Everything is in reach, and we can really use it well. So this is the setup and quick unboxing review of the device. Let's just see what software it comes with. It comes with 26.0.1. Okay, so we're gonna get, I think we are now up to 26.4. So this was the quick setup of the device. I hope you guys liked it. This is a really nice device for people who are using for daily use. The battery time on this thing is amazing. Easy, lasts for a day. And if you want to go for a bigger size, there's 15-inch, but you want something portable, this is it for you. If you want to watch more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Peace out.